start menu and search keeps popping up on Windows 10 fix. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can solve if start menu and then search keeps on popping up, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now there is a setting that launches the Windows search whenever you press the three buttons on your touchpad like this, and it will open up the start menu and the search bar over here. So if you're using your touchpad and then normally you just have to press the three buttons just like this, you use your three fingers to tap the touchpad, it opens it up. You can actually disable one of these settings here. So to disable the settings, you simply want to go to your settings app itself. Then once you go to settings, you simply want to look for the option called devices, right? So over here you can simply go to devices and you can go to touchpad, or you can simply type in the option called touchpad settings over here. Once you select touchpad settings, you can simply look for that option that says three fingers and four fingers gestures. You can simply turn off over here. Here you can say it's set to open search. You can set this to nothing. So when you set this to nothing, next time even if you accidentally touch with four finger or three fingers, you will not be able to view all these little options here. So you can choose to disable them. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.